our services. Well, it'll be coming soon. Okay. Now the things to remember here is, if you just go back here to us, let me just save this page first. Okay, so it'll say coming soon. Okay. So what appears in this article? Yeah. I can control. Right. So, for example, I go back to this page and see our services. Yeah. Given one space. Okay. But if you see on the right hand side, yeah, see all these things. Yep. So if I say show PDF icon, show print icon, yeah, show the author name, show section name, for example. Yep. So just remember this page. Sorry, this page. Yep, it's like this. It's pretty plain and simple. Yeah, nothing there. If I save it now, what will happen? And if I now, once it's saved, I go refresh, and you will see that it'll change. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's happened is that all that information has come. So written by Jeevan Joshi, the category, and see the PDF and print on the right hand side. Yeah. Yeah. So there's a PDF. So if I click that, it'll actually produce a PDF of that page.
Okay.
So what I've done is what appears on this page is simply by going to this page in this dashboard and saying, so this one, if I say just use global, because I've either hide or use, well, hide, if I say hide, but email icon I want to show. So basically everything else I have, and now if I save it, all that thing will disappear and you'll have a new stuff which is for the email icon. So, all that author information is
What does use global mean?
Sorry?
What does use global mean?
Okay. See, if I can set some global settings, right? So I can say that for all articles in this web page, do not show PDF, do not show email, do not show all that, right? And every time I create a new page, I just say use global, default settings.
Okay.
But at the article level, I can change it if I want to for one page or something.
Okay.
So in this case, for global, so let's have a look at that. If you want to have a look at global, see these, what have we got here? So if I go to site, and I think if I go to, that's not it. If I just go, where are we? Help, trash, copy, move, unpublish, publish, archive, unarchive. If I just go to article manager, there is somewhere that I've set it up. I can't remember where I set it up actually. Let me see. User manager. Somewhere I've set it up, right? So you don't have to worry about that for the moment. Okay? Alrighty. So now that it is set up, let us say in the website, in this website, so we are at home. Yep. In this website, if we want to create another menu item here, yeah, something like our customers, yeah.
Okay.
and I want our customers to be between contact us and news and items.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to do two things. Number one is I need to create a page which says our customers, like I did for the our people, and put some content. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
But that is not enough, because what I need to do next is I need to create a menu item here and then
Okay.
link that menu item to that page. Right. So it's a two-step process. Right. So first of all, if I go to my article manager, content article manager,
Mm-hmm.
nope, coming up. I go new,
Okay.
right, and title is our customers. Let us say
Custom.
customers. Yeah, you'll have to put alias, which I usually put the same as that. I have to select section, company information, and company information. I want it published. I don't want it on the front page. I'll tell you what that is. And then I put customers. Yeah. Okay. So
Okay.
I've done that. Parameters, just checking everything is the same. So that is okay. Right. So now I save it. Okay. So you will see that when it goes back to my article, I've got our customers, a new page. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I'm going to do, now my page is ready. I now need to create an item for this. So I go menu and go to menu manager. Now, just like, you've got this main menu here. This whole thing is the main
Mm-hmm.
menu. That whole thing is a main menu. Yep. I could have another menu, which is like the top menu somewhere there if I wanted to. Yeah. And I could also have another right hand side menu if I wanted to, right? So,
Okay.
but at the moment, let's just stick with one menu. So if I go back to my administrator, you can see that I can have more than one. I can create a new menu, like the top menu if I wanted to. But at the moment, there's only one, which is called main menu, which is that one. Yeah, that is the main menu.
Okay.
So let's see what is there in the main menu. So I go into main menu and it'll have all those items. See, home, our people, services, news and items, and contact us. Right? The same as there. Home, our people, services, contact us. Okay? Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm saying to this menu, I need to add another item which is called customers. So I go new. Yeah. Then I say, this menu that you are having, what kind of menu,
Mm-hmm.
what do you want to link it to? I say, okay, I want to link it to an article. Yeah, the customer article, right? So I'll do this. You don't
Okay.
have to, but just for you, article, and I say article layout. Then it'll ask me here is which article. I'll
Okay.
say customers. So the article is customers, and the title of the menu
Mm-hmm.
is customers. Yeah. So that is the menu which will link to the page customers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And so if I save it, yeah, you will see if I go back to my page and refresh it, it will have customers and it will also have see that customers at the end.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's got oh, there is something. You see the customers that we added? So we've added a menu. But I don't want the customers here. Yeah. I want it
Mm-hmm.
between news items and contact us. So I need to move this up, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So if I go to menu, you can see this the menu manager where I've got all this. See, customers is the last. So if I take it up, yeah. Now customers is
Mm-hmm.
fifth. Now if I refresh this now, you will see that it will change there.
Okay.
So do you understand
Mm-hmm.
here? Everything can be done. It can be changed without
Mm-hmm.
any software or any programming.
Okay.
Okay. So right? So this is basically what we have to do. At the moment, I probably would ask you to work on the articles.
Okay.
Yeah. So you've got 4. So you know that our customers, yeah, if I am not, for example, I've created the page, but I can actually just for the time being unpublish it. So if I go back here, yeah, you will see 2 things. Number 1, this link will disappear and the page will also disappear. So, see, there's nothing there, right? So if I just go back to index, yep, you can see, oh, customer is there. Actually, sorry, I also need to go to the menu, yeah, and I also need to unpublish the customer, this one. See, published, I need to unpublish it. So both the menu and now article are still there and you can turn them on, but at the moment they're just
Okay.
not there. So if I do
It
that,
is like a draft.
it's gone. Yeah. So you basically, it's turning on, turning off. Create, turn on, turn off.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me just let's have a look at the administration modules. So what I want you to do is essentially I want you to start building content on this website. So I'll actually ask you to do it, but just give me a second. Let me just upload something.
Okay.
These projects
When do you want me to start with this one?
today, if you have got time. So you can start whenever you want.
Oh, okay.
So when do you think you can start?
Tomorrow, because I'm going to finish something today.
Okay. Yeah, no, tomorrow's fine. Let me just do this. Tempo, not theme. It's going to be extensions. 1 sec.
It's really exciting for me.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually. I must say it's. I'll just upload that. So what I want you to do is go to this website. Yeah, it's basically the same guy's website, and you know, put, well, you know, like our 1 sec. Let me just see if that's oh, let me see that. I'm just uploading this formatting thing. That'll be easier for you. Browse. So can you make a note of the whatever. Okay, so what I've done now is I've actually uploaded a new functionality. So if you go back to the page very soon, just like Moodle, you've got users, you know, etc. So let me just do this. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go to user manager. I'll ask you to use this one and go JC. I think that's better. Okay, so what I've done is I've just done something. So if you go to article manager now, right, and if I do my customers, you will see that there is more like toolbar for formatting. There's more that's come up. I'll show you. And this is a little bit more like Moodle. So do you see this bigger thing come up there?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't know why it's black.
Yeah.